Good evening and welcome to this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Crystal. The journey to the crown begins. Miss Universe Jamaica Davina Bennett is ready to strut that international stage for Jamaica on November 26. Davina's Bon Voyage event was recently held at the Serengeti Bistro at the Hope Zoo, and we share with you the highlights.
I'm bringing myself to Miss Universe, which is really just a big ball of personality and good energy and just that the Jamaican authenticity. So I'm just going to just bring myself and just give all that I've got. I am very excited. I mean, my wardrobe is on point. We only showed a few pieces. We haven't even hit the really hot ones tonight. We're just giving just a little touch of the iceberg. So I know my styling is on point. My speech preparation has been to the T. My gym work has been hard, and I'm up like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning. So I have been working, and I'm just ready to see the results. I feel confident. I am a bit nervous and excited, so it's a whole lot of emotion just bubbling up, but I'm definitely ready. I've been preparing tremendously hard, tirelessly, day and night, sleepless nights, so I am ready to take home that crown.
The 66th Miss Universe pageant takes place at the Axis at Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas, Nevada. A new sound for roots reggae and dub songstress Janina. The reggae artist recently released her new single, Feel Good, the very first single of her upcoming EP, which will be released on the VP Records label. Janina is closing off 2017 strong with shows in Boston, New York, Burlington, and Vermont. She will kickstart 2018 in Brazil with dates in Bahia, Sao Paulo, and Rio de Janeiro. Restaurant Week 2017 has begun. This year, it's 1 week and 2 weekends in more than 75 restaurants across 6 parishes. The RGR Glena Communications Group, as part of the Restaurant Week offerings, will host their annual pop-up cafe on November 16 and 17 at 32 Lyndhurst Road. So join us for the culinary celebration at Broadcast House from 12 noon to 4 p.m. and eat your heart out. On the international scene, Cardi B is making Billboard chart history yet again. The former reality TV star turned rapper is one of only 6 artists to have 3 simultaneous top 10s on the Billboard chart. Bodak Yellow is currently at number 2. The Migos and Nicki Minaj collaboration Motorsport at number 6. And her feature on the G-Eazy No Limit, which also includes A$AP Rocky, is sitting at number 10. She shares this distinguished hallmark with the likes of Beyonce, Rihanna, Nicki Minaj, Iggy Azalea, and Ashanti. And that's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.